Okay, so this is how we do things. Every day, we just carry on smiling. Cause there's always another day to not throw away. I'm just like you, I like a calm life, like feeling relaxed, instead of grabbing a sharp knife. The same as you, I like to go on holidays, but I'll be stuck with him. It's token of grade in broken days. It's mediocre ways, leave me broken crazed. Walk for 9 days and move back to the same place. My face grey, cause I'm blazing haze, 25 a day, instead of eating 5 a day. Delayed in cyberspace. Yo, I'm a deluded mess. You ain't impressed with my threats, but all your bitches will shut the fuck up when I torture you all your pets. I'm tired of you laughing heads, just do what the person says. Tired of this brain dead, so laugh when your brain spreads. Well, I'm not like you, I don't own an expensive bar. Ain't got houses or a garage full of eccentric cars. I'm not willing to kiss an ass just for an entry pass. I just sit here and go demented with a silly grass. No, I never was a person who's blessed, but we can safely say no, I'm a professional mess. No, I take my brain out, I'll pull it back and it's stressed. Feeling depressed, never talk to professional mess. Step to this horse shit, making you all split. I'll split more when you're than 4 years, sports born in your 40s. People are all skits, leaving your balls blitzed. It's how much stress in a professional mess. My mind's in a abandoned space, I live in a suitcase with a time bomb, thinking I'm safe in a small place. I cover my eyes, you don't see me passing by. I see you talking, you think you'll never stop these fucking guys. So here walks in the same man, with a board of his brains back. Talking about his 8th band when 7 have grazed hands. Yeah, he's a shame man, but wearing his lame brands and talk with an accent all messed up by his strange lands. Caught with the stage hard, go out with a roadie. Give me some inside this industry that knows me. Speak like emojis, feel like I'm OD. Stop with the nose please, soon we'll expose these. Speak about positive things, step from the grey. Never know whether I'll live to see another shit day. Hope with this negative talk, never the sort or in the short straw. Always the source of the sore balls. No, I never was best news blessed, but we can safely say now I'm a professional mess. No, I will take my brain out, I'll pull it back and it's stressed. Feeling depressed, never talk to a professional mess. Step to this horse shit, making you all split. I'll split more when you're than 4 in your sports form in your 40s. People are all skits, leaving your balls blitzed. It's how much stress in a professional mess. Okay, so I'm in a but I haven't heard one things. Maybe I'm just wanting more than you could have. I can't tell it, I can't tell it, I can't tell it, I can't tell if you're still good for me. I can't tell it.
God-given, not from blue tops like Marge Simpson. Just hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the pan. Watching the plan form in the sand, bidding castles out of thoughts in our head. Late nights, no sleep in my bed, trying to see my dreams manifest. Look at that, now look at that, we nice. Put the pants on ice. I was like Mike, now I'm good like Kendra said, boy, we gon' be alright. I just doubled my price. I get love on sight, that's the only love I like. Now look at that, we nice. For all the ones who showed up with no motives. That fake love is so bogus. I don't take love from false on. Don't respect those who promote it. On paper, you look honest. On the outside, looking in. Like, oh, look at them, your time passed. Look again, now my glasses to the brim. I'm throwing passes to the rim. Shots be going in. Not too bad for middlemen. Took some jazz. If the beat hits, I'm ready to go.
Bounce it. Bounce it.
Ready to go.
Bounce it. Bounce it.
Money and we just caught it.
If the beat hits, I'm ready to go.
Bounce it. Bounce it.
Ready to go.
Bounce it. Bounce it.
Yeah. The breath that's well nice up. Go. The breath that's well nice up. Go. I know that we ain't kids. That's well nice. The breath that's well nice up. Go. I know that we ain't kids.